We are Uma and Bala, took up bird watching and photography as hobbies after retirement. What an exciting world opened up for us. The delight and interest our mothers showed when we shared our birding experiences inspired us to make these little videos for other senior citizens too. This third video has photos and videos taken by us. Happy birding! That was the sound of the spotted owlet. We hear it often in our apartment complex. Generally, the young ones of owls are called owlets. But this species is so small that its generic name itself is spotted owlet. So, are you wondering what the young ones of this spotted owlet will be called? They are called baby spotted owlets. The zoom lens shows the owlet filling the screen here, but in reality, it is just 8 inches tall, just the size of our palm. Understandably, because of its size and the spots on its body, it is called as the spotted owlet. Small or not, it is still a bird of prey, a superb hunter. The sharp curved beak and the powerful claws or talons can grasp and rip apart the prey effortlessly. What an eye-catching picture. When we say owl, people think of these huge eyes. Not surprising. Their eyes are 3% of their body weight, which is 10,000 times more than that of humans. Like humans and unlike other birds, both their eyes face the front, which means binocular vision, which means a three-dimensional view. Unlike us, the owl is unable to move its eyeball, so it can be seen to bob its head to judge position and distance of objects. In this video, it is bobbing its head, trying to form a composite picture of the camera and the cameraman. Owls have flexible necks and can do a 270-degree head turn. This head turn, plus binocular vision, plus the sharpest ears that detect the slightest rustle in the night. Well, little creatures of the dark, better beware and hide. This is the view from our kitchen window. A pair of spotted owlets exposed on the vagai tree in January when the tree had very few leaves and plenty of pods. Come March, and it's a different view altogether. The vagai is lush with young leaves, flowers, and leftover pods. The seeds in the pods are loose and make a sala noise in the breeze. The leaves and flowers sway and dance to the music of these seeds. What a beautiful music and dance show for us. Watch. Now, the owlet gets a bit more privacy among the leaves and the flowers and is difficult to spot. It can doze peacefully, undetected and undisturbed from the noises below. Morning and evening, it can be seen inside the drain pipe at the roof of the temple, opposite to the tree. How tiny it is to be able to fit into a tube. Did you know that the scientific name for this spotted owlet is Athene Brahma? Athene referring to the Greek goddess of wisdom and Brahma to the Hindu god. What a coincidence! The camera angle makes the Athene Brahma appear sitting at the feet of the Brahma statue on the temple tower. Owls, as we all know, are nocturnal and sleep through the day. How cute and peaceful it looks in its extraordinary bed. Have you ever seen a bird yawn? In fact, we did not know that birds yawn until we saw this owl do so. Luckily, we caught it on video. On trees or in tubes, these spotted owlets show remarkable adaptability. What is more, they control mice and insect population. So, aren't they friends to the farmers and to us? Let us leave them alone, undisturbed. So, next time you hear the owl hoot in the night, consider it not as a scary noise, but a friendly voice. Thank you. We'll be back with another bird.